I'm in Cannes for the weekend, enjoying Côte d'Azur, even though it's about to rain. The sky is so cloudy, all grey, but I have to say that I do also enjoy being here with this kind of weather because it's really always beautiful and charming and love it here actually. So nice. It's lunchtime, so it's actually time to go and have lunch. Actually craving something very light, some seafood or whatever, with of course French fries. I mean, French fries are always a must here. To stop at Monoprix to get some snack. I actually went there in the first place because I wanted to get a ginger shot because I know they have them and they are so good, but they were nowhere in sight, so I got other kind of snacks, just not the ginger shots I wanted. First of all, water. Of course, my beloved Perrier, so sparkling water, and just a bottle of... I actually never tried 7-Up in my life until now. So I saw it and I was like, okay, I need to try it. This one, it's with citron, so with lime, let's say lime, yeah. And it's basically just a lemony Sprite. Very good, but always in the beverages department I saw this one from Alpro called macchiato flavor. For like 90% that we do not have this in Italy. Never saw this. I'm a coffee lover, so and it also is soya based, so I'm very intrigued with this one. I also, of course, had to get Tyrell's chips. This time I got two different kind. This one, which is sea salt and cider vinegar, and this one, basic sea salt and black pepper. You know, Tyrells are one of my fave kind of chips. Last two things that I got just to be ready for summer and in shape, eating healthy, candies. They are both from Haribo, and I'm 90% sure we don't have this particular kind in Italy. It's this one. I don't even know how they're called, like Dragolo. Should be nice. And this Super Mario edition, which is a limited edition, and they are all frizzy. I'm sure this will be so good and delicious. But that's everything that I got. A short but very sweet and interesting haul. Now it's raining. Ready to rain yet again. But it is how it is these days, isn't it? Out for dinner. We're actually going to a brasserie that should have like sort of typical dishes from here. Let's see, never been to that one and never heard of that one actually until now, but I need to get ready. I will just do like a very basic, very fast, nothing major makeup as always. Now I am really ready, all glammed up, let's say, and ready to go. Just at breakfast with a cappuccino and a pain au chocolat. So delicious. I could not have asked more from my breakfast of the day actually. It's still rainy today, but it has stopped right now, so hopefully it would just be a cloudy day without rain, but not sure about that. way back, we decided to make a quick stop just to have a scenic view before parting ways with the Côte d'Azur, just for now, of course. So we're driving there now. Even though it's raining and it's not very hot actually, we went for lunch at a beach resort, which I'm pretty sure has just opened, called Lucia, which is also part of the Nikki Beach that I'm sure everyone knows, and it was so cute. Of course we were inside, but the inside interior design was so amazing. Also the food fresh and delicious. Love how many fruits and veggies you can find in all different dishes. So good. We need to come back and go back to Lucia because all the desserts in the list seemed so good and nice. So yeah, another reason to come back to Cannes sooner than later. But yeah, let's go to the scenic spot to part way in the best way with Côte d'Azur. After this short but very sweet stop, I have to say that I think that gloomy views are so amazingly nice and soothing. I love these kind of days. The only issue is when it starts to actually rain, and that's boring and that's kind of annoying sometimes. But apart from that, gloomy days are amazing, so nice, love them. But yeah, we're driving back to Italy now officially. Thank you guys as always for tuning in and watching this video, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.